Hello and welcome to the channel. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day today. Today is March 19th, 2025. We've been dealing with power outages a lot recently, especially due to this terrible weather some states have been going through. Today, the largest U.S. Navy base located in Virginia is dealing with a power outage. According to X, formerly known as Twitter, as of March 19th, 2025, Naval Station Norfolk, the largest U.S. Navy base located in Virginia, is experiencing significant power outages. The cause of the outage and the estimated time for power restoration remains unknown. This incident has raised concerns due to the base's strategic importance, as it supports the U.S. Atlantic Fleet and houses approximately 75 ships and 134 aircraft. The power outage's impact on base operations, including ship deployments, flight schedules, and daily activities, is currently under assessment. Naval Station's Norfolk Public Affairs Office has acknowledged the situation and stated that emergency response teams are working diligently to identify the cause and restore power. Personnel and their families are advised to stay updated through official communication channels for further instructions. Local utility companies, in collaboration with base authorities, are investigating potential causes, including equipment failures or external factors. The City of Norfolk's official website advises residents experiencing power outages to contact Dominion Energy directly. Finally, as investigations continue, updates will be provided to ensure the safety and well-being of all personnel and residents affected by the outage. This power outage at the naval base was surprising. I will keep you guys updated on further information as it is presented. And thank you for visiting Hello Today. Please like, share, and subscribe so you'll be notified when we upload the next video. This is Selena, and thanks for listening. Bye.